Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Insightly CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you disconnect or remove your Evernote access to your Insightly CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove or disconnect your Evernote from Insightly CRM? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that it's pretty common for you to switch over to different softwares. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Insightly CRM. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Insightly CRM, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and disconnect or remove Evernote from your Insightly CRM, click on your profile icon here on the top right. Once you click there, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here on User Settings. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see another gray menu here on the left, and in order to disconnect your Evernote, you want to click on User Settings. Okay, once you click there, you're going to be in the User Settings menu right here, and in order to disconnect your Evernote, you're going to scroll to the very bottom. Okay, once you get to the bottom, you're going to look for this section, Connected Application Settings, and you want to click on this button. It's in blue, Disconnect from Evernote. Next, you'll see this pop up. Are you sure you want to disable Evernote? Go ahead and click on OK. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. You'll see this confirmation up here. Your Evernote integration has been disabled. And then also down here, it gives me the blue button to connect to Evernote if I wish to do so once again. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to disconnect or remove your Evernote from your Insightly CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.